Thank you so much for watching Fine ni Kuya Man. So, itong araw na to is just to share with you sa 5 bagay na magpapa-good vibes at magpapabago sa buhay natin. So, unang-una is kailangan mamili din tayo ng mga tao na sasamahan natin. It's either on the school, sa workplace, kasi may kasabihan tayo na show me your friends and I'll tell you who you are. So, meron kaming isang vlog na ginawa before na mga kasama ko sa Accenture na sinasabi nila na if you want to be the best, so kailangan samahan mo yung mga best na tao. Kung if you want to be rich, samahan mo yung mga rich na tao. That's the kasabihan, that's the reality. That's true. The second thing is kailangan meron tayong goals or meron tayong rich mindset. Hindi tayo parang sumasagwa na wala tayong patutunguhan. We need to have the skeletal or we have to have a guide for us to go with the flow ng life. So, kailangan may structure. The third is kailangan maniwala tayo sa partner natin if you have partner kasi at the end of the day, kayo hindi naman na magkakatulungan. At the same time, believe in the open communication to each other. Walang itinatago. Open communication is the key. 4, kailangan meron kayong weekly meeting with your partner or with your family to set things and then to set goals. Para kung meron kayong minimithi, you will achieve it as one goal na sama-sama. 5. So, unang-una is kailangan naging sentro natin si Lord sa lahat ng bagay na ginagawa natin sa work, sa family. Everything will go smoothly if si Lord ang nasa puso na sentro natin. So, I hope these lessons in life for today will help everyone at may nakuha tayo. And then if you wanna subscribe to my channel, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and then my TikTok. Thank you so much.